Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily change the background of any board on the Trello app. Whether you want to customize your workspace with a solid color or a photo. First, open the Trello app on your phone. Next, find the board you want to manage and open it. Then, look for the three dots located at the top. Right and tap on them. Next, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right. After that, select the background option. You will now see two main choices, color or photo. Choose the one you prefer. If you select color, simply pick the shade you like. If you select photo, browse through the available images. Once you make your selection, the background will update instantly, giving your board a fresh new look. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a like, and sharing it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.